See, he heads her off. Come on. Yeah, Baby never would do that with him. Of course, she was quite old by then. He was around. Now we're going to chase him.
No, under the bush.
Wish we didn't have dirt in our backyard.